Hello beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ree. Hi, how you doing? Nice to have you here. So on this channel we focus on travel whenever Rona lets us, lifestyle and beauty. So if you enjoy those things, definitely think about subscribing. Would love to have you. It's free. Yes. Okay, so today we're gonna get into another video. What do I want to talk to you guys about? Anyway, so today I want to talk to you guys about how to do your gel nails at home. Ta-da! I've been doing gel nails at home now for a very long time, probably about 7 years or so. I started in college and I just carried it forward into my 9-to-5 life, and it's one of those things where I definitely save money for it. If you're low maintenance, like if you don't need too much, like if you're not big on like flashy nails, then this method works really well for you. It's a good way to save money, good way to save time, and you can do it anytime you want, so you don't have to wait on the nail salon to open back up. Yeah, love it. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching.
Okay guys, so I use the Melody Susie gel nail dryer. I've bought it off of Amazon 7 years ago, so I'll link it down below. And then I also use the Red Carpet manicure. I think I got this from Ulta, but I can link it below as well. But I really like that. Okay, so this is the before. My nails are a little bit outgrown. I haven't really done anything to them since lockdown, since quarantine started. So bit outgrown, cuticles look rough. So the first thing I do is clip my nails. So I just clip them to like a length that I feel like is reasonable. Probably take half of that off. So I start filing my nails. What I prefer to do is, first of all, file them to like a length that I'm comfortable with, and so like all of them are even. And then I like to file my nails into an almond shape. So I'll probably put a chart of like the different nail shapes and stuff like that, so you guys know what I'm talking about. But basically I just like my nail to form an almond. Just for right now, I don't know, it's my thing. But I usually just file my nails down all the way down until it's an almond shape. So step 1 would be like prepping the nails, just making sure like the nails look good. So this is them in the almond shape. You guys can let me know how you think I did, but the filing's the hard part. Then we gotta work on these cuticles. So this is the Nourishing Nail and Cuticle Oil. So what I do is that I basically put them on my cuticles, on all of my cuticles, and then massage them in. And then I use a cuticle brown stick thingy and I push my cuticles back. So then after we do all that, we need to wash our hands, get all of that oil off so we can start the process. So for me, after I wash my hands, then we can actually start basically step 2, which is applying the nail polish. Here I'm just using nail primer. So the kit comes with like a prep nail primer. When you're doing gel nails, you need a clean base. That's the only way that this gel is going to adhere to your nails and last for a long period of time. So after we put on our primer, then it's time to do the actual base coat. So that's going to be clear. So basically you just paint that on. Make sure you coat all sides of the nail bed, and then I always use the 60-second button. I know a lot of times in the instructions, the gel nail, this is the part when I forgot that it was even plugged in. And yeah, so do 60 seconds. I think normally people suggest 30, but I always do 60 just because I'm extra. After that, we use our actual color. So I decided on like a mute robin egg blue situation, just because, you know, it's springtime, why not? So I apply all that, try to get that fully coated. I'm not too worried about mistakes because with gel nails I feel like you can easily kind of clean it up after, so I'm not too concerned about like any mistakes. But I basically just paint in my color, and then I'll go under the dryer again for another 60 seconds. Okay, and then after that, then we do a second coat. So we go in again using our second coat. A little pro tip I do, right, is that I basically put a little bit of the gel polish to the ends of the nails, so I'm kind of like sealing them in. Then we put on our top coat, go under again for another 60 seconds, and then basically you're done. Your nails will be sticky after. So what I do is I go in with the Purify, which is like a pre and post nail application cleanser, and then I just remove all the sticky residue from the gel nails, and then do a little cleanup, and I'm good to go. So yeah guys, that's basically the process. It's pretty straightforward, pretty beginner friendly, definitely something anybody can learn, and it's a great way to kind of always make sure your nails look good. And then yeah, just the before and after of the process, so you guys can see how far we've come.
So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. I want to know what beauty techniques you guys use to save money at home. Like for me, it's nails and stuff. I know some people do waxing at home and stuff like that. So just comment down below. Anyway, you basically save some dollars from going to the nail salon or the wax boutique and stuff like that. But thank you guys so much for watching. While you're here, you might as well watch something else, right? Yeah. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi. Hello. Gibberish. Gibberish. Here we are again. Another episode. Not episode. God damn it. It's welcome back. Okay. Whoa, my thing fell. Oh shit.